once it gets a little bit better. It's a little bit poorly at the moment. On. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. The tyre power is a little bit poorly, so we're going to do the valve clearances to try and make it a little bit healthier. For this job, you're going to need a 10mm spanner for all of that. A 10mm spanner, an actual spanner this time, for your locking nut on the valves. Flathead screwdriver to adjust the height of the valves, and a feeler gauge to check the distances, all that good stuff. So once you've got all of your bolts out, coil packs, oil cap, dipstick, everything, you want to take your breather off from your...
Yeah, we literally like put one a month ago.
Yeah. So once everything's off, you just want to pull your rocker cover off with a fiddle, get out of it. There we are. Is it recording? 100%. Yeah? Okay. So once you've got your rocker cover off, the first thing you're going to want to do is set piston number 1 to the top. So you want this arrow here, this dot over here, and there's 2 little lines on this one and this cog that need to match up. And that's when piston number 1 is at the top. So to set piston number 1 at the top, you're going to want to put it in first. This is what I found the easiest way to do it. Take your handbrake off. Excuse the interior, it's a mess. And then from there, you're going to want to rock back and forth gently, and you will see it moving. And then once it's in position, just toss stop, and then you can start your valve clearances. Right, so once you've got your piston 1 at the top, you want to get a 0.23mm or 0.009 inches feeler gauge, because the tolerance is 0.21 to 0.25mm. So we're going to the centre of that. So let's give it a go and see what it's like. The intake and the exhaust valve clearances are completely different, so you're going to need to do your intake and exhaust separately on a different gauge. And then you should be able to slide it in underneath here, and as you can see, mine is genuinely not going in. So that means that one is too tight. So let's check the other one. And once again, it's too tight. So now we know that our clearances are incorrect. You've got to get your 10mm spanner and undo the little locking nut. It's not so, the torque settings on it are about 14 Nm, I think, so it's not very tight, but obviously it gets really hot. So let's just, Jesus! So once you've got your valve unlocked and adjusted to suit, you want to feel not too little drag, but not too much drag through your feeler gauge as you go underneath. So this has got a decent amount of drag now, so I'll say I am quite happy with that now. So now we've got piston number 1 done and correctly clearanced. You're going to want to move this arrow 90 degrees to over here, and that will move you to piston number 3, because 1 and 3 work simultaneously, and 2 and 4, so let's do that. So you're going to want to rock your car back and forward gently in first gear with the handbrake off, and you can see it moving. So as you can see, the arrow is now here facing 90 degrees further than up here, and that means that we are now in piston 3, cylinder 3. So we're going to crack on with the valves on that one. We've rotated it another 90 degrees, so the arrow is pointing down to that little PNC thingy. Yeah, no idea what that is. And we are now on cylinder 4. So So now we've got the clearances for all pistons, 1 to 4, checked, double checked, triple checked, all the way around. Checked all of the clearances, and they're all good now. So hopefully this sorts the nasty noise coming from it. So yeah, gonna rebuild the rocker cover now. So now we've got our engine fully rebuilt and everything, apart from the IV deck cover yet. It's time to start it up now and see if the valve clearances have worked. Okay, so now we've got the valve clearances and everything done, and personally I think the engine is running a lot smoother now. And yeah, I'm happy with it, but time will tell if the valve clearances actually worked. If not, then we'll wait and see really. But yeah, that's how you do valve clearances on your K20A2 engine, EP3 Type R. Thanks for watching the video, everybody. Remember to like, subscribe, click that bell for your notifications, and we'll see you next week where we're hopefully fitting an RBC intake. Hopefully.
For a while. So we've got the strut bar here. The strut towers are behind this bit of carpet here. And you need to undo those 2 bolts that hold the strut in.